The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan from Port Washington, Wisconsin to Windpoint, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake until 9:15 p.m. At 8:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 16 nautical miles northeast of Windpoint, moving northeast at 55 knots. 34 knots or greater and large hail. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater, large hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain are possible with this storm. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for a portion of summer rain warning for Lake Michigan from Port Washington, Wisconsin to Windpoint, Wisconsin, 5 knots. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Kane County and northeastern Illinois until 4 p.m. At 3:16 p.m., showers capable of producing tornadoes were located near Elmhurst or near Canton Hills, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted without shelter: Elgin, Carpentersville, St. Charles, Algonquin, Huntley, Geneva, Canton Hills, South Elgin, Cedar Grove, Gilbert. Tree damage is likely. Hampshire, Elmhurst, Barrington Hills, Sleepy Hollow, East Dundee, Lee, Valley View, and Lily Lake. This includes Elgin Community College, including the following Interstate 90 between mile markers 45 and 56. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. On the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Forecast to occur in our listening area. Station will broadcast severe weather monitoring.
That's mine.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northeastern DuPage County and northeastern Illinois until 4:15 p.m. At 3:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located over Lisle or near Wheaton, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Carroll Stream and Glen Ellen around 3:45 p.m. Lombard, Glendale Heights, and Bloomingdale around 3:50 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Addison, Villa Park, Elmhurst, Roselle, Elk Grove Village, Bentonville, Wooddale, and Itasca. This includes College of DuPage, DuPage County Fairgrounds, Wharton Arboretum, and Wheaton College, including the following interstates: Interstate 88 between mile markers 128 and 130, Interstate 290 between mile markers 5 and 14, Interstate 355 between mile markers 23 and 30. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. Where you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado warning remains in effect until 4. Source. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 4:30 p.m. At 3:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Addison, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near O'Hare Airport, Elk Grove Village, and Franklin Park around 3:55 p.m. Schiller Park and Rosemont around 4 p.m. Arlington Heights, Des Plaines, Park Ridge, and Rolling Meadows around 4:05 p.m. Other locations in the path of the tornadic thunderstorm include Palatine, Mount Prospect, Glenview, Niles, Morton Grove, Prospect Heights, Buffalo Grove, Wheeling, Northbrook, Winnetka, Northfield, Deerfield, and Glencoe. This includes Open Community College, including the following interstates: Interstate 90 between mile markers 67 and 78, Interstate 94 between mile markers 26 and 35, Interstate 290 between mile markers 1 and 4, Interstate 294 between mile markers 26 and 35. Owned zones, tornado warning. 1. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The tornado warning for northeastern King County will expire.
Can't get it unless channel 2.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Iroquois County in east central Illinois, northwestern Newton County in northwestern Indiana, southwestern Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 6:15 p.m. At 5:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Morocco, moving north at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lowell, Manteno, Moments, Morocco, Lake Village, Grand Park, St. Anne, Hopkins Park, Sun River Terrace, Beaverville, Donnerman, Schneider, and Sumava Resorts. Including the following interstate: Interstate 57 between mile markers 323 and 324. This includes US 41 Dragway. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's Weather Radio KZZ 81 Lockport. The National Weather Service in Chicago thunderstorm warning for east central Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, northern Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 6:45 p.m. At 5:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lowell, moving north at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for near-shore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Calumet Harbor, near-shore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City, 13 nautical miles southwest of Cary, 16 nautical miles south of Indiana Harbor, moving north at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harris Beaver, Crib, Wilmette Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Hammond Marina, Jackson Park Harbor, and Belmont Harbor. Jackson Park Harbor and Belmont Harbor. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe northwestern Winnebago County in north central Illinois until 6:45 p.m. At 6:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm with a tornado was located near the tornado warning 9 miles west of Winnebago due northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated location. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will begin around 6:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Sherland and Harrison. Take cover now. Use your basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, when G539 counties. Standard broadcast will be from Illinois until 6:45 p.m. At 6:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Durant, or 9 miles west of Rockton, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard for tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Bring you the latest
To those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Central daylight damage to roofs. Windows. The national level of this dangerous storm will be near. North and south Illinois around 6:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Philadelphia, where a rolling floor of this tornado was located near Illinois, 9 miles west of Rochester, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Vehicle components in a mobile home or in a move too close to substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Caught without shelter.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Easy damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely.
There's too many of them that can handle me, but I might let you try it out the Hennessy. Make them play to this thing like a melody, and if your girl ain't right, I got the remedy. There's too many of them that can handle me. Bad chick, I could be a
Tornado warning from 8.
Tornado warning from 8/24/2/21/5:26 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. CDT for Winnebago County. Take shelter immediately.
Warning from 8/24/2/21/5:26 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. CDT for Winnebago County. Take shelter immediately.